Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are having a great day, a awesome day, and welcome to the part 4 of object-oriented programming in PHP. So today we're going to be learning about the static properties and static functions inside a class of PHP object-oriented programming. Okay, so what is actually a static property and static class? Well, previously we used this public, private, protected, and we use these variables, and we got access to these variables by creating a copy. You remember right here we created a instance or a copy, you can say, then we saved it in fruit, then we called it like this, fruit, then we called it like this, right? So it should now echo out the orange. So let's just confirm that, localhost 8000, and that will be OOP basics right there, and in example.php, so that you can see there's something wrong. Wait, let me check where's wrong. Okay, so we have this destruct, we don't need this actually for now. Okay, so let's refresh that, and you can see, guys, we are having the orange. Okay, so this is how actually we pull out normal properties and normal methods. Okay, so one more thing, guys, the functions inside classes we normally call it methods, not functions. Okay, so in static methods we actually pull this differently. In static methods or properties, we actually don't need to make a instance or a copy. Okay, so that's actually great. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's just make this property right here static, and in order to do that we just have to say static and public orange. Now there we go, we have our static property right here. So in order to call a static property, what we're going to do is we are going to write the class name itself, then 2 colons, and after that we are going to write the name of the static property, okay, which in this case is orange right here. So what we're saying, guys, here right here is go to the fruit class right here, fruit class, and pick up the static method, static property where the name is orange. So in this case the static property is this one, and where the name is orange right here. Okay, so that's what all we're saying. Now I am going to save this right here inside the orange variable, and right here what we're going to do is we're just going to echo out this orange variable. And by the way, you can just echo out right here, we don't need a separate line to echo out this. Okay, so let's just check it out, and we should get orange. Oops, there's an undefined constant orange in line 62. Well, what's going on? Oh, one more thing, guys. Yeah, we need to put the $sign this time in this orange, okay, because it's a static property. Okay, so in static property you actually need this $sign. Okay, so we have to give this $sign in orange right here. And also one more thing, guys, I don't know why did I wrote it here, but this static keyword should be right here, right here. Okay, so public static orange, and then this property. Okay, I'm really sorry for these 2 mistakes, don't mind. Okay, let's try that again, and here we go, you can see we have orange. So let's just change this something to blah blah blah, so it is different and we can just understand it really worked. So right there you can see we have it right here. All right, so that was static property. Now we can also make a function static right here. We're going to say public static function apple, which should echo out apple. Okay, so in order to call a function, static function, what we're going to say is fruit apple, then we're going to give the parenthesis right here, and as this is a function we actually don't need the $sign because it is a function, we don't have $signs in function. All right, so now we're going to save it in something meaningful, apple, right here. Then we're going to echo out the apple. Actually, we, as a matter of fact, we actually don't need this, so let's just echo it out. Okay, so this is apple right here. There we go, guys. As you know, we called this fruit function. It went in this class and it searched for apple function right here, which is right here, and then it is echoing out this. We actually also know we actually don't need the echo too. So if you refresh that right now, you can see we have the apple right there. Okay, so that was all for static, guys. That was all for part 4. And on the next part, we are going to be building a login functionality using these classes. Okay, so until next time, guys, hope I see you everyone in part 5. So until next time, guys, see you then. I'm out.